Hello, and welcome to Global Talk Show by Business Par Academy, Netherlands. And this is your host, Dr. Supriya Kumar Velen, international speaker, Toastmaster, communication and leadership coach. And I am here today to tell you something so much which you are missing. Yes, this is the platform of Global Talk Show, visible in 30 countries or more than that, which even you can't imagine. Now, one question must be popping up in your mind. What Global Talk Show, what it is all about, and why do we enroll for that? What are the advantages? Folks, it's very true. Until or unless you will not use the golden key to unlock the hidden potential, you can't achieve success in today's cutthroat competition. Now, again, I will say only and only one thing. Deserve than desire, you all would have heard. But when I talk about Global Talk Show, it's not only a talk show where I had hosted about 300 people plus. It's all about your incredible story, you can say your motivating journey. There are so many people in this world who had their past, a beautiful past, an inspiring past. And we all are hiding those pasts. Why? Let's open it up to the world. Inspire people, motivate people through your stories. And this is not only to inspire people, to motivate people. It's about visibility of your success, of your business. Today's business demands a beautiful and excellent networking. Trust me, folks, no matter how good you are, a businesswoman, a superwoman, a businessman, but until or unless you don't have a good network of people, of entrepreneurs, of coaches, of mentors, of successful people, how you can grow up your business. So this is the right platform where you can share your incredible story with me, and you are, and you will be visible across more than 30 countries where you will be listened, where you will be watched, and even you can promote your digital products. Don't you think? This is the golden opportunity. And folks, once opportunity knocks the door, there's a saying, once it knocks the door, it never come back again. So grab this golden opportunity to be a guest on Global Talk Show. Share your beautiful, incredible story. Share your digital products. Even this is the best platform to marketize your products to the global audience who are watching you live or who will be watching this video later in the form of YouTube, and you will be watched in, as I said, more than 30 countries across the globe. This is all about the talk show, but learning is a continuous journey. And I said, journey never ends. Storytelling. Let's talk about storytelling. Time immemorial, our grandmother used to narrate bedtime stories when we were a small child. But today, that storytelling is totally changed. When we are talking about business storytelling, corporate storytelling, it has separate meaning. So this storytelling techniques about connecting people through their hearts. And these stories of yours, bring, enthusiasm in your life, in your career, in your business, in your organizational terms. So why to lose this golden opportunity to connect with storytelling to your audience? And trust me, when you tell story, your own story, in the form of a business, in the form of a corporate, people would love to connect to you. People will die to connect to you. And when people connect to you, magic happens. And there will be a great boom in your business, in your organization, and you will feel, wow, where I was missing, a great miracle is happening in my life. My business is touching. And, there are so many people who claims a 6 0 figure increase in your business. But how many of us are leveraging the power? Because the power is hidden within yourself. And when you are coming here, narrating your story, narrating your life journey, narrating your business, narrating your organization, and your digital products in the form of your, you can say, book launching, or what the courses you are enrolling, your modules, your coaching process, people would love to hear. And more than that, people would love to enroll in your courses. And that I can say because it's happening. The magic is happening. Trust me, folks. It's happening. So I am so super excited to host you on this beautiful global talk show, which is narrated, created, crafted by Miss Veronica Saban. And she is doing a wonderful job in leveraging so many great powers across the globe. So why delay? Not a pause. And I say only one thing, I am eagerly waiting for you all to host, to connect, to organize, to engage, to evolve, to excel, and to make you visible across more than 30 countries, your products, your digital products, your books, your talents. Don't hide your talents, because hiding talent is a big sin. And that's, I'm not telling, a great poet has said in his poem, John Milton. So make use of this great platform, Global Talk Show by Business for Academy in Netherlands. Come and share your story, and you can find your way by booking your slot. So book your slot, come here, share the story, and experience the magic. Magic in your business, magic in your personality, magic in your courses, magic in your modules, magic in your coaching boom business. And then you will say, yes, this is the right platform. So your host is waiting for everyone. Please, please, please enroll it. Come here. And I will be so super excited and privileged to host you. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you there.